Hi, Amy here. Day 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. I am just thinking today about recognizing the miracles. Have you ever thought about how amazing it is that in the summer when it's hot and we need shade and we're trying to protect ourselves in our houses and keep the sun off, the leaves are out there and they're protecting us and they're taking care of us and giving us shade and cool and all that wonderful stuff. But then in the winter, when we want all the sun we can get, bam, no leaves. What a great plan, right? Okay, so this is pretty obvious, but really, have you thought about what a miracle that is? How amazing that it all works together so well. Not expressed very well, I suppose, but anyway, little stuff like that, which is actually quite huge, but in our day-to-day concerns, it's pretty minor, right? But you gotta pay attention. You gotta figure out that there are miracles all around you all the time. My dog is a miracle. My friend who lost her baby and is getting through it, that's a miracle. My mom, I'll talk about that tomorrow, but she's a major miracle. Recognize the miracles. Are you paying attention? Are you grateful for what you have, what's going on? I mean, yeah, we got goals, we got things we want, we've got plans, we've got visualizations, we've got all the stuff that we're doing, and that's great and that's wonderful and it's necessary. But we got to have the gratitude. We got to recognize that where we are right now is way ahead of where we could be, where a lot of people are. It's the miracles. Hold on to the miracles. Be grateful for them. Wake up thinking about what a miracle it is that you just woke up, and that you probably woke up in a nice warm bed with a roof over your head, and it's not going to be a major deal for you to go get a cup of coffee and some breakfast. That's a miracle too. Everybody in your life who's in any way supportive or helpful or, loves you, even if you don't see them all the time, they're a miracle. Be grateful. That's my deal for today. Let's be grateful, people. We got an awful lot to be grateful for. Have an awesome day.